So seeing as how this is the Northern Quilt Lab, we got a little different sort of setup here. One of which includes a view of Lake George right out the window, which the seamstress likes a lot. All right. In the lineup today, we got two different projects, and one of them looks like kind of a regular quilt, but maybe you better describe what you got going here.
Well, it's more of a wall hanging. It's not really big enough to be a quilt.
Okay.
And it's a sampler quilt. Wall hanging. There's many blocks. I made each one separately and then put them together, and now I'm quilting it. And the quilting takes a very long time because I'm trying to use different threads to match the colors of the fabric. And I'm trying to use a few different techniques, like a zigzag or a serpentine stitch, like right here. So here's the back, which you can't tell much from, and the front. And I'm gonna.
How far along are you?
How long? Well, the hard part's done, I'd say. The part where I had to cut out every little piece and sew them together, but it's really up to me how far I want to go with it. So I'll be done within a week, I think.
And every once in a while, you get a little distraction.
Well, I get sick of
from
doing
looking
this.
out the window here at the
yeah.
birds and the lake.
Yeah, I thought you meant by that.
Yeah. All right.
Okay.
So the second project,
Yes.
you might want to hop up and come on over here.
I got tired of
This one
all the quilting here
is
because there's
very
a lot
busy.
of moving the fabric around. So I decided to get working on something else I was planning to do, and that is a fabric collage. And this is the pattern, and so it's just like the ones I always do.
All right, I see a big sort of rounded thing here. That is, if I'm reading,
Cactus.
that's a cactus.
Cactus.
And then the top of it is a whole bunch of flowers, and it looks like they're all individually cut out.
They are all individually cut out. So I have to iron the fabric to, what's it called? I can't remember. Double-faced steam-a-seam. And then...
Double-faced steam-a-seam. That's not a phrase you run into every day, is it?
No, I can't remember the name of it.
Well, anyway.
Fusible web.
Fusible. All right, so how do you do this?
And so then I cut out each little piece individually, and you can tell here how many I've
on
cut
the
out.
ironing board.
Right.
You got a ton of all kinds of little
Tons
pieces.
of them. Every one with these special nice scissors. And then you peel off the back.
There's a lethal-looking pair of scissors,
It
huh?
really is. And then you peel off the back.
And a pair of tweezers in case it's not being cooperative. Okay.
And you peel off the back and you stick it down on the fabric. And I change things around, I move things, and eventually, and I'm getting near the end, eventually I will iron it really well and then quilt it.
I see we got some of your previous works hanging here on the wall at the...
Yeah, this is
Northern
a fabric
quilt
collage, and it looks like it's right on there like that, but every piece is cut out individually. Not these. Oh, that's one piece of fabric.
And this one, although you may not see it on your 2D TV or computer screen or phone, but this one's got depth to it. These pieces stick way out.
There's what you call yo-yos. All those little things that stick out are yo-yos, and that was so fun to make.
And then there's the kitty cat up here.
Yeah, yeah.
Looking at the moon setting over a lake.
Right.
Okay. Well, that's it from the Northern Quilt Lab. Much is going on, and the view is fabulous. Thanks for being with us. Good night, everybody.